Hey everybody, I am Kara. Welcome back to Knowledge Work Nexus. Today we are going to start a series of episodes all about using the templates and the templater plugins in Obsidian. And I've got an article to accompany this, so if you want to check that out, check out the description below and I will walk you through everything in great detail in that article. But otherwise, you can just check out the playlist of episodes that it will be at the end of this episode. So we're here in a brand new Obsidian vault. It's called the Templates Vault. Creative, I know. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to dive into just the core plugin first to see how we could maximize anything that it could do. And I think the difference in the advice that I usually give to people is most of the time I tell people start with the sort of lowest level of functionality that you need and then build up from there. But there are some key differences between the templates core plugin and the templater community plugin that make me say that if you're going to make use of templates and you don't have a reason to have to run Obsidian in safe mode, where you don't allow in any sort of outside data, then I would actually really probably start with the templater core plugin. But that said, you can still learn a lot from watching how the templates plugin works. And if you do need to run that environment where you're only using a safe mode type of environment, then I'll do my best to show you how to really maximize that. So in this first video, what we're going to do is we're going to set up, make sure that our templates plugin is enabled, and then we're going to set up where we store those templates. So I'm going to come down here to my options button in Obsidian, the little cogwheel at the bottom. And you'll see I already had core plugins here on the left, or I'm going to choose core plugins here on the left. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to make sure that templates is on. So that's the toggle button here. If I hit off, now templates is off. Turn it back on, templates is back on again. Normally there's a little cog button here. I think just because I turned it off and on, that is missing. So you could get to your options through that little cog button, but otherwise we'll come right over here and go to our templates so that we can set our folder location. And so we're going to do that right here. I am going to keep my templates in a top level folder for now. We could always move them later if we needed to, or you can put them in a nested folder location. I'm just going to put them in a top level folder called templates. I'm not going to change my date format and not going to change my time format. We'll talk more about that in future videos and how you might want to change it, and also how you can change it in an actual template if you do want a different format in that template. But for now, this is everything that we need to do. So I'm going to hit the close button, and then I just need to create over here that actual folder. So I'm going to hit the new folder button, and I'm going to type in templates, that exact same name that I just typed, and I'm done. So now I am ready to create my first template. Make sure that you come back for the next video and I will show you how to do that. Bye, everybody.